the wind noise is so high that it's impossible to go out and make a video. So I'm showing you the snowdrops through the window. You can see them there. Seems to be more than I'd imagined. And I can see even from here that there are holly berries on the tree quite low down, something that when I'm in the garden I didn't actually notice. But there's quite a few. There are 2 variegated hollies on that bush. There's other hollies next to it, the dark green one, which didn't produce berries this year, but I'm sure it did in the past. And next to another variegated one. So that's it on this very wet, very windy, typical Scottish drake day.